We go at the morning routine. Go up here. Get the food dish. Some kibble in it. Alright, that's for the dog. Coming here. That one there. That one's empty. One comes up. Set it there. You better don't. You better don't. Equal shares, because I'm all about that equality, you know. All about that equality. No cat left behind, huh? Yeah. Take this with me because I'll stay here and try to eat it. I'll show you the little routine. They're already heading up to the feeding grounds. Here we go to the feeding grounds. I already went up there waiting. Up to the feeding grounds we go. There. Let that out. And then, last but not least, we have Waldo. Ain't that right, Smiggle? Ain't that right? This is cooked without seasoning. It was all that meat we cooked up. Without seasoning, grease drained off. Yeah. Now I do the cat litter box, but that's my shitting around to do. Toodles.